Hey everyone, today we're comparing three AI coding assistants, Cursor AI, GitHub Copilot, and Replit Ghostwriter. Let's break down what each does, then see which one's best for you. First up, Cursor AI. It's a standalone code editor built like Visual Studio Code but packed with AI. It suggests code as you type, auto-imports symbols, and can edit multiple files at once using simple commands. Its chat feature understands your whole project, making it great for big tasks or debugging. It's fast with suggestions in about 320 milliseconds and lets you mix AI models like GPT-4 or Claude. Next, GitHub Copilot. This AI plugs into editors like VS Code and suggests code based on your style. It's great for quick inline suggestions and works with tons of languages. Copilot chat explains code or generates bigger chunks if you ask. It's super smooth with GitHub and even helps write terminal commands. It's a bit slower, around 890 milliseconds, but uses less memory. Last, Replit Ghostwriter. It's built into Replit's online IDE and focuses on fast code suggestions for 16 languages, like Python and JavaScript. It can refactor code, explain tricky parts, or generate programs from plain English. It's twice as fast as Copilot, but only works in Replit's environment, which is great for quick projects or collaboration. So how do they stack up? Cursor AI is best for big projects since it understands your whole code base and edits multiple files fast. It's ideal for pros working on complex apps. GitHub Copilot shines for general coding, especially if you use VS Code or need GitHub integration. It's perfect for most developers. Replit Ghostwriter is awesome for beginners or quick prototypes, especially if you like Replit's online setup. That's it. Pick Cursor for big projects, Copilot for everyday coding, or Ghostwriter for quick, easy projects. Let us know your favorite in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.